This is a brief instruction on how to attach the front wheel to the Pulse Kick and Go. First, remove the axle nut by using the 2 wrenches provided in the Pulse box. Once removed, push the axle through and set it aside. Next, align the wheel with the axle holes on the ends of the fork and insert the axle all the way through the fork and wheel. Then thread the nut back in and tighten firmly. The handlebars on the Pulse Kick and Go have a handy folding mechanism that allows for quick breakdown and storage. The bottom end of the handlebar post has a rounded end that automatically aligns the post with the head tube. It also keeps the front wheel aligned with the handlebars. Simply unfold the handlebars, turn the front wheel into the riding position, and then apply pressure straight down to the handlebars until the post slides completely into the head tube. Complete the process by firmly tightening the locking clamp. Use the adjustment nut to adjust the tightness if it feels too loose.